Today's student is tomorrow's alum. Here's one such, and he also happens to be the first ever student secretary for International and Alumni Relations. Here we have Jitin.
So, I'm actually quite nervous standing before all of you. So, please forgive me if I make any mistakes during the presentation. Yeah. So, the title of my presentation, I thought it should be something like, what do the students need? And this are some of the answers which I could think of and which I have understood over the past few months of my tenure. So, first of all is a mentorship aspect, which Mr. Govnathan has spoken about, and which Mr. Chandas here, who had been helpful in organizing the Connect lecture series, was a part of. So basically, we really need your support. We need to make informed decisions regarding our careers. We need to know what we ought to do in our life. And we have many such mentorship opportunities available, and we'd really like you to participate because you're the ones who are in the best position to guide us. Next, we have something called Chennai 36, which is our alumni blog. So by Chennai 36, you'd recognize it immediately as a pin code of IIT Madras. So Chennai 36 is where you can reach out to a lot of students. We receive about 800 to 1,000 hits a day in terms of readership. And the next one is I Love Insti, a video campaign aimed to bridge the gap between alumni, students, faculty, and the non-teaching staff. So bridging the gap is what we thought essential, as an essential part of our role at the INDAR office. So how can we, the students, help in terms of, let's say, alumni participation, alumni involvement in IIT Madras and between yourselves? So we had a give back campaign. It is called Keep Calm and Give Back, a My Imprint campaign, basically aimed to raise some capital from the batch of 2013. And we managed to have about 202 students who donated. And we donated it to CFI. So CFI is our Center for Innovation, and it was spoken about previously by Professor Ashwin Mahalingam. And we'd really like you to come and visit CFI. So at this moment, I'd like to call upon the student volunteers. Could you guys please come here? The guys from INDAR, Shastra, Sarang, please to the front of the stage. So all these people here, so they would be helping you in the campus tours after 2 o'clock. So, and they'd be wearing this badge. Please say hi to them. They'd love to talk to you. They're a bit nervous themselves because... Thank you so much. So they're a bit nervous themselves because they do not know how to approach, whether they would be receptive. But the alumni would be receptive as such. So thank you for your very informal greeting, and I'm sure that they would not have that nerves right now. Yes, sir. One question. So we are also organizing reunions in terms of bonding, which was, guys, thank you. Yeah. So bonding, which is a Department of Chemistry reunion, and we're also having 2 other reunions in terms of the Mechanical Engineering postgraduate reunion and the Department of Biotechnology all batches reunion. So what can the students basically do? We can help in bringing you together. In terms of building the database, we can help in bridging the gaps between your own batches. So please let us know how we can help, because we have a lot of ideas, but we really need your contribution in terms of understanding the feasibility of the same. So when do we meet up? A very interesting question. So we'd really like you to come home more often, and by home I mean IIT Madras. And Shastra is one such avenue. So if you'd like to know more about Shastra, there are some representatives from Shastra. Could you guys, they'd come here at the front. They're still here. Mukesh? No, all right, so fine, it's okay. So Shastra is a technical festival. It started after many of your batches left. And we have Vinay, who was one of the leading contributors to Shastra in his time, from the 2008 batch. And yeah, so incidentally, you would see a lot of pictures of Godav, for obvious reasons, that I'm from Godavari. Anyone else from Godav here? Go Godav. So please come and visit Godav and every other hostel. Also, you'd see something like this. This is our new mega mess. So the hostel mess systems do not exist except for Kaveri and Krishna. And if you'd like to check out the mega mess, please come and do so. Could you take the next slide, please? Yep. So Sarang is our cultural festival. It was renamed to Sarang from Mardi Gras. And we have a lot of shows. So we really like you to come. Please let us know, because we have representatives from Sarang who would like to, guys, can you just put up your hands? Yeah. Please talk to them. They'll be glad to help you out in terms of procuring tickets or in terms of, just letting you know what is happening in terms of the cultural scene of IIT Madras. So as a part of Chennai 36, which we mentioned earlier, we're trying to run a lot of features, especially regarding the sports at IIT Madras, the hostels at IIT Madras, inter-IITs, cultural competitions, and maybe let's say the batch pranks. So please let us know how it all happened. And yes, I Love Insti, as I said again, is a video campaign. So Vikas, can you just run it? So Insti is what we called the institute these days. And yes.
I love Insti because the campus is really nice.
It's a very good campus, sir. High technology people here. Good students are very nice people here. Faculty, students, servicing is very happy. Totally greenish area. The service to the students is very happy.
I love Insti because of its freedom. So I want to convey some message to the students who have passed out. So please help to the nation to grow by using your knowledge in a better way.
I love Insti because it is the best thing that's happened to me in the last 20 years.
IIT international level வர காரணமே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் உடைய கடுமையான உழைப்பு, ப்ரொஃபசர்ஸ் ஃபேக்கல்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் உடைய கடுமையான உழைப்பு, அவங்களோட ரிசர்ச், இதுதான் இன்னைக்கு அவங்க முன்னுக்கு வரதுக்கு காரணம்.
I love Insti because I enjoyed my time there and I still have all of my best